How the state government works. Introduction. Government in India functions at three levels: local, state, and national. The government in a democracy works at the state level with state powers and specific roles allocated to the members of legislative assemblies, MLAs, and ministers. MLAs are members of the Legislative Assembly elected by the people of the state. Each state of India has its own government and the Legislative Assembly. Formation of the state government. Every state is divided into smaller areas called constituencies. A political party's MLAs who have won more than half the number of constituencies in a state can be said to be in a majority. The political party that is in majority is called the ruling party, and all other members are called the opposition. For example, the Legislative Assembly of the state of Himachal Pradesh has 68 MLA constituencies. The governor is the head of the state. The central government appoints her or him to ensure that the state government works within the rules and regulations of the Constitution. Among the opposition are other parties, including those who had been elected as independent candidates. After the elections, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party elect their leader, who will become the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister then selects his ministers and together forms the State Cabinet, each having a department portfolio allocated to them. After the elections, the governor of the state officially invites and appoints the Chief Minister and other ministers.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.